Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently I don't found out. And I make some outlandish statements. As a matter of fact, I'm going to say this. The teacher's mental health astonish them viewers and subscribers. Them I wonder how the teacher not mad yet. And just like Chronicler said in that feature with the teacher, man I survive them I wonder how we manage. I will still give one mother US. I will not do nothing average. Viewers and subscribers. Dr. Jeffrey Wilcott, Clinical Director for Physiotherapy Association Limited, told the major tabloids viewers and subscribers that it would be premature for anyone to make assumptions about a person's mental state based on social media activity. But they said stop viewers and subscribers because they do some form of dry snitching as well them that say overseas in the hip hop scene viewers and subscribers. This is that line about the phone. Did you better glad say Prime Minister tell yourself to stay home. Now viewers and subscribers, part of the difficulty with our society is that we tend to jump to conclusions, the doctor stated, quite easily without much investigations, just like Vybz Kartel trial. Just like Vybz Kartel trial, viewers and subscribers. But remember, they did do it because him in the whole MVP and the fourth genotype attempt to take over dancehall, and then after them hope so them can get out the Gaza, then them can go at it with themselves and them can, you know what I mean? I don't know what them plan to do, but you will never get out the Gaza, viewers and subscribers. May them talk about Sheep Nation. You know why they must say Sheep Nation? Because dancehall, viewers and subscribers, is an industry where we hardly see loyalty on display. Very few artists and musical camp have displayed loyalty. Gaza Nation embodies loyalty. If I say Gaza loyalty, you say. Now, viewers and subscribers, he said, for you to have a mental disorder requires trained specialists to sit down and go through a carefully crafted series of interviews and evaluations that at most can take up to 2 hours. It cannot be something you ascribe to someone because you are seeing something that is out of character. Now, viewers and subscribers, let me say this first and foremost. Did you talk about bickering? This is dancehall music. This is dancehall music where somebody can make a song and somebody just go counteract your song and you and them have nothing. And them just do it for maintain some form of dominance or some form of notoriety or some form of relevance in the music. And normally why an artist might see the play and see the motion, you just know say that a dancer and that a go on. The teacher did not do that, however. The teacher make a statement. It might have been opinionated, but it's a statement. Them say wait. Look like them a buy views and pay people in our vibes. Why them in our vibes, sir? Them a buy views for true. I must that. Because if the teacher go say, oh, yo, all them clocks fake. If your clocks not fake, why you don't feel like a you? Why you don't talk about it through you Havana clocks? If me Havana clocks and my clocks real and them a say, yo, them clocks fake. Me not take offense because me know my clocks is genuine. So why me not go out of my way to feel offense to something where clearly not have nothing to do with me? Unless me not Desert King. Unless me wear a Desert King, then me da feel away because me know say my clocks is not genuine. Me know say my clocks not real. That's the only way that. Now viewers and subscribers, must see the play. And I hope you also see the play now. Now, medical officials, people who are trained in the field. Now some little people who are make some little song every 6 months. So every 6 months, let's did them put out song. Now I mean, whether the song is subpar, of average, or it not sound good, none at all. But they're not gonna talk about that. This is not a review about the song. This is a review about its statements and its implication and its authenticity. Is it true? Was it coming from a good place? No, I'm not feel so. I feel like Diddy try point out some things about the teacher profile from the IG. I'm not going to talk much about it. Nobody feel like you can spin me and make we talk about it. I am not going to mention anything about that. We will say this, however. Donna, I think you should focus on putting out good music. I'm not going to tell you about from when we are listening to your song them and from when we... I will tell you from when I stop listening to your song them. But you put out the That's a Trap mixtape. I stop listening to your music. You know why? You go out of your way to tell people, say, yo, trap dancehall and trap fusion and Ray. Yo, we are listening to you from your incorporate even opera in our music. Some people they didn't know, say, I don't know, are one of the first dancehall artists to incorporate opera singing in a dancehall music. Rifle a back and a beat. Yeah, we are listening from them time. I'm stop listening to after That's a Trap. Nobody can tell me, say, oh, yo, you know rate sooner, you know rate down there, you know nothing about me. Even Vybz Kartel rate I don't know. We are telling me, say, did he get the opportunity to become a superstar, leave him mark in a dancehall, and instead him get the PS3 and a problem after that. You get the Xbox One. Now you hear nothing more from Diddy after that. Man play every new CD and zero every day, man, and give me a song. And then now when him start put out music, he want me to say, oh, yeah, Ray, and follow. No, I ain't put out good music. Nah, do that. I will say this though, he's an artist, he has the potential to drop crazy dancehall hits. Why you not do it is beyond me. Me don't know why you not put out dancehall hits. Me don't know why you continue to put out subpar music where sound like music we record 2 and 3 years ago. Why? Me don't know. Me don't know you feel like a hustle dancehall music so. And then when you realize that now work is like you want disrespect fans of another artist. True J.O.P. and a fan base. Yo, I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this about Fortune. First and foremost, while people know you are the younger artists around your musical camp, while people even follow nothing up or follow up nothing what you go on with. Jades at the studio and that's how you go Vice. And that's how we know Jades from. Governor, definitely an aspiring artist, found out and proved to us him of what it takes to be remembered or, you know what I mean, considered as one of dancehall's premier artists. Show Crime, I don't see a show him no strength. And I'm one of the roughest artists that you have in your camp. I'm one of the roughest artists in a dancehall system. Yeah, real artist, hardcore youth from Kingston. I ain't give him no strength. So tell you about help artists and help people. You don't even help yourself. You don't even help yourself. None of these people, you might do. You might add them to the camp and carry them go to shows. But me know say that have nothing to do with you helping artists. It more benefit you. Because when they can have young artists from different eras apart in your camp, it keep your music alive. Because they're going to rate and respect you. It don't really do much for them. Because nowadays, by way of association, it's not necessarily a way for bust again. Because too much different avenues that they bring artists to prominence. Now you know exercise none of them avenues that with the youth them. A simple feature with Show Crime. Must you drop your hardcore song bad and you know what I mean? Where feature with Show Crime there. Let me tell you this. If that song that is feature Show Crime, me da listen it. Me da listen it. From it start, I realize oh this sound like one of the songs that never make it from That's a Trap. And me just not listening no more. Maybe if it say feature and Show Crime, me da say alright. I'm gonna see what the G bring to the rhythm. Cause them not keep the good rhythm, them keep them for themselves. So I say me hear what G gonna do now with that. You know what I mean? A trap style rhythm root. But no feature. You know what I mean? And I think it now at a settings where it don't know if you ask the governor for a feature. Me must say how a youth them rare and he mention only governor alone. As if governor was the only member of the 4th generation. That's what I try to show you to. Only because governor have an album out there and him sang them do quite well. That's why I'm saying oh I mention Govy. But want to the other members. Him not gonna mention them unless them hit. And him not help them to hit. Him not help governor reach the top. A big being push governor out there that was a single. That was a hit single by governor in a feature nobody. I say him reach out there. I suspect everybody else when they're musical camp they have to leave like Navino. Or they have to go put out them own hit single and then take time branch out so they don't leave in an unloyal state. But rather in the settings like, oh, being associated with him was doing nothing for my career. And even though I still pay respect to him as a youth, they believe in me and carry me go to studio and say, yo, Vice the youth them. Other than that, promoting the song, because we know it's not about recording music, you know. You can record music even from home nowadays. And mix it to a level where it sounds alright. It's the promotion of that music. And the reason why people associate with artists who have establish themselves in the game is because it's easier for now promote their music through the avenues that they have created for themselves. But when them not help you, then where it makes sense for you, why y'all link with the artist if him not help your box? Him not like a Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel refused for vice from people track if they never vice the Portmore Empire. I mean refuse, tell some people say if you not put them artists up on the rhythm, me nah do not sing for your rhythm. Someone go to them way, the viewers and subscribers. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the guys represented by Sam reminding, you know, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, click the subscribe icon, put it on all, that's how you'll be notified. Like icon there, drop a like from your like with your ear. Share icon is located in close proximity. Drop a share on the blog and tell a friend, tell a sister and them brother them. Comment section always open. No join the comment section, join the discussion. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. However, other than that, you know the something go. Yeah man, now move settings, and for those who don't, my sentiments for you, I wanna live, love and prosper until the reason again.